The Hercules DS530BB Saxophone Stand offers a sturdy, well-balanced bass that keeps both alto and tenor instruments secure on stage or in the practice room. Its folding yoke and adjustable back support cradle the saxophone at multiple contact points, reducing the risk of tipping or slipping if the stand is bumped. A simple locking mechanism keeps the stand firmly open during use, yet releases quickly when you are ready to pack up, which feels very reliable in regular gigging situations. The stand collapses into a compact shape that fits easily into the included carrying bag, making it convenient to transport with the rest of your gear. Thick padding on the contact surfaces protects the saxophone's finish, so you can leave the instrument on the stand between sets without worrying about scratches. Overall, the Hercules DS530BB feels like a thoughtfully engineered stand that combines durability, portability, and instrument safety in everyday use.